Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a lifestyle LS38RS. This rig has about 3 slides and it's got a lot of storage. Let's take a look. If you come on over here, this is where the generator would go. So there's a place for that. We also got ample storage in here. Here, let me hold this for you. Check that out. And if you wanted to do some work over here, or in these cabinets over here too, you are more than welcome to do that. For all my handymen out there, hands-on. All right, making our way around the coach. This one's got beautiful paint all over. As you can see, it's got a really cool color scheme. We got our power awning on the top. Here's our King Kong storage again. Just lots and lots of space. We got our, we also have thermal pane windows there. They're both frameless. So it's got a really sleek look to it. Got your solid steps so you don't fall and you just feel good going in the coach. With the arm, as you come on in, coming on into the coach, we got the kitchen and the living room. In this rig, it just is very spacious. It's also very vintage looking as well. This is one that you probably will come and, you know, it just feels very home-like. You know, with the carpet on the ground, we got our solid surface countertop here. We got the removable sink, countertops. Then we also got more counter space right here, as well as a lot of storage here, right? Got our microwave on the top. And they hid the 3-burner stove just so it kind of goes flush with everything, so it's got a more pleasant look as you come on in here. Also got an oven, plenty of space for your silverware, any other things that you want. Looks like we got our fridge here. It's both double door, so you know it's got a lot of space there. And then the freezer on top. If you come right here, there's tons of pantry space, as well as a place to hang your coats as soon as you come in from camping. And just more storage and storage. We got some controls right here to our left here, or sorry, right. And then to our left, we also got more controls over here as well. Very easy to use, simple. We got our dinette here, which is also with carpet. This does extend out. So if you wanted to, you can host more guests when you're just camping or just RVing. You could totally do that. We got our 2 dinette chairs. Really nice curtains here to go ahead and set the mood, a little dimmer. Come into the living room here, we got 2 different, we got a recliner on our left side right here. And then we also have a hide-a-bed here with this couch and a couple pillows. If you come on in, we also got this fireplace on the ground, or the ground, you know what I mean. Then we also have just more storage. The Jensen TV, storage on the top for your entertainment needs and things, so on and so forth. Beautiful cabinetry, really nice wood, and there's lights all over this as well, with switches and dimmers. We got this dimmer right here, so you can dim it as well. All right, even got more storage here on the island. Just storage. It's honestly, guys, kind of like a home on wheels, if you will. So let's go up into the bathroom here, or into this little hallway. It does have carpet on here, which is pretty nice. You can go and take a look into the bathroom. Full walk-in shower. Nice toilet we got in there, and sink. Coming into the bedroom. Right here to your left, got a king-size bed. Really comfy. Also got some storage on the sides here, as well as some lights that are controllable on each side. So if your partner wants to sleep and you don't want to, you can keep your light on if you want. We also got some electric plugs right here, and this bedroom does come on the slide out as well, so a little bit more room and space for here. You also got some a dresser here with some deep drawers. all along here. Beautiful cabinetry once again. Lifestyle doing it right. And we also got more over here. Any other entertainment things. Plenty of plugs right here. And if you come on over here, we got also a couple windows. So you got some natural lighting in here, which is very nice while you're camping or RVing. If we go in here, this is a washer and dryer hookup. So you can wash clothes, very convenient. It's just nice, hook them up right in there. Then we got our closet right here, which is plenty of space. Plenty of space. Yeah, so this is the Lifestyle LS38RS. If you have any questions whatsoever, we do have a sale going on, our Summer Forever sale. So feel free to come on down to BISH'S RV and go ahead and ask for me, KyLudwig. My phone number is 541-799-8794. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.